Welcome back, everybody. I have been getting a lot of requests lately about how I prepare my catfish or any fish. So today, guys, I am preparing catfish fillets, and I'm gonna give you guys an insight of how I prepare my catfish. I actually use different kinds of seasonings, but today I'm gonna be doing something a little different today. I'm gonna be using lemon pepper seasoning, as well as Himalayan salt, but this is a different kind of salt I'm using here as well. I bought a big bag and just poured it inside of my Himalayan salt container here. So guys, and I got the roasted garlic and herbs. I'm also using my batter here is Zatarain, the seasoning. I'll show you guys that as well. I've got pretty much used most of it, guys. But this is what I'm using here. Zatarain fish fry, the season. Make sure you get the season, guys. This is the best one, in my opinion. Some people mix cornmeal with it. They like their fish a little bit more crunchy. But I'm using it on the fish fry here today. And we're warming our grease up to 375. Making sure that grease is real hot, guys, before you put your fish in it. That's gonna make sure that fish turn out to be crispy, regardless of if you got the crispy seasoning or not. So guys, this is my favorite one. So what I'm gonna first do is, we're gonna start off with the salt. And what I like to do, guys, I like to season my fish actually. I might put a little bit of this inside the batter as well, but first, guys, I like to start off with a good amount of salt, guys. Just make sure that you salt your fish down and make sure that the way you like it. So I start with salt first, flip it over, make sure you get both of those sides. Once we got the salt put on, we go to our lemon pepper. So guys, you can pretty generous with the seasoning. So guys, we definitely, again, guys, make it to your likings. And that's pretty much what I'm doing here on my side. So guys, make sure you season both sides of it, guys. That's very important. All right, we got those two on, and we're gonna give our finishing touch with the roasted garlic. Yes, guys. Other two seasonings, guys, to make sure that those are my two dominant seasonings. This right here, guys, is just kind of one of those good follow-through flavors. I love roasted garlic. It's a pretty good flavor, especially for fish. So guys, make sure you get both sides again. After you get both of those sides, what we do now is we're just gonna let it sit here for a second. Wait till our grease get right. Make sure you get that seasoning and get those sides, guys. So guys, I make sure I try not to leave no stone unturned. So that's what we're doing here, and making sure it's all seasoned just right. Once we got it seasoned, guys, we let it sit here, go to our fish fries. And today, guys, we're using a deep fryer. I'll show you guys the deep fryer here. All right, got the deep fryer. So guys, you wanna make sure that I got mine on 375. Once you see the light to say ready, take your seasoning, guys. Let me show you guys what I'm doing here. So what I like to do, guys, to test mine out, take a little dab of seasoning like this. Take a little dab like that. Take it to my pan. As you guys can see, that it's not floating right now. So we still got a little time to wait. And guys, we're using peanut oil here today. And guys, that's one of my favorite things to cook fish in. So as this grease get hot, let you guys see what it look like once it get it ready. That's how the fish should be looking, guys. When it starts to float to the top, or you start to hear the grease start to sound like it's calming down, it's not as loud as it was at the beginning. That is one good sign to tell that the fish is either done or getting close to that area. We take the catfish, so we want it to be a little bit more crispier. We're letting it sit a little bit longer. It's been about 5 minutes now. Been cooking here, so we're gonna do about a minute or so and just let you guys see what it looks like at the end. There we go, guys. It's about 7 minutes. Let's take it out and see what it's looking like. Good old fresh catfish, guys. Good old fresh catfish, guys. Gotta take a bite. Wow. Roasted garlic at the end. It's a good finish to the catfish, guys. Check that out. I have all the links in the description below. Check that out, guys, and let me know what you think in the comment. Let me know your favorite way of cooking catfish. Thank you guys for tuning in.